Hey class, Buck Jordan, Student Success Director for the Dormer School of Business and Course Coordinator for Biz 100 here. As an academic advisor in DSB, I am happy to guide you through what could be the first time you're reflecting on the semester. Allow me to be the first to suggest that it's time to consider yourself, your courses, and whether or not to withdraw from anything. For those of you who are in college for the first time, we are now at midterm, or halfway through the semester. Generally considered between week 7 and week 9, sometimes your professor will have an exam called a midterm as early as week 6 and as late as week 12. Confusing, I know, but it will all make sense eventually. In any semester, I like to think of midterm as halftime of a sports game. And if you've never been on a sports team before, halftime is the break in action when the coaches bring the team together to figure out what's going on, make adjustments, or even give an encouraging pep talk. When in college, students should do this too. It's the opportunity to think about your classes and your grades in those classes. Specifically, when it comes to your class, you should think about what have you done so far, where are you now, and what will it take to fill in the blank. The blank can be different for each class, by the way. This process is called a self-assessment, and it's considered a best practice for college students. If you've never done this before, no worries, we'll get you through it. So give yourself a chance to check yourself before you wreck yourself. Here's an idea. Let's use Biz 100 as a test case for self-assessment. The tools you need to help with this kind of self-assessment is a calculator, your Biz 100 syllabus, and a healthy amount of honesty about yourself, who you are, and what you will do. If you've never really looked into what your syllabus says about Biz 100 and how you will be graded, that's okay. I mean, I've been known to just show up to class and do the work. But in order to repeat this self-assessment with a different class in the future, you need to familiarize yourself with what's being asked of you in any course. Biz 100's info will be that practice. Once you have your Biz 100 syllabus, look for information about assignments, quizzes, discussion posts, anything associated with your grade in this class. The information is on pages 1 and 2. Try to make sense of it. If it doesn't make sense to you after this video, email or talk to your instructor. All right, so go get it.